Welcome to Uni, what? Today we will start with wind energy. Let's begin. What is wind energy? The wind is caused by unequal heating of land mass and water bodies by solar radiations. The kinetic energy of wind is used to do work. Windmills are used to convert wind energy into electricity and do mechanical work. The rotatory motion of the windmill, due to blowing wind, is used to turn the turbine, which rotates the turbine connected to the electric generator. What are wind farms? The output of one windmill is very less. Hence, the output of a large number of windmills is connected together and called wind energy farms. Denmark is called the country of winds. Germany is the leading country in using wind energy to produce electricity, while India ranks fifth. The largest wind energy farm has been built in Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu, which generates electricity of 380 million watts. Advantages include: 1. Wind energy is an environment-friendly renewable source of energy. 2. It requires no recurring expenses for the production of electricity. Disadvantages include: 1. Wind energy farms can be set up at only a few limited places where the wind frequently keeps blowing. The speed of the wind should also be greater than 15 km per hour to maintain the speed of the turbine. 2. It needs a backup facility like storage cells when there is no wind. 3. Wind farms need a large area of land to establish. 4. The initial cost of installation is also high. 5. High level of maintenance is required as the windmill is exposed to the vagaries of nature like rainfall, cyclones, etc. Solar energy. Energy obtained from the sun, solar energy, reaching the surface of the Earth daily varies from 4 to 7 kWh per m². It can be used for running solar cookers, solar water heaters, and solar cell panels. What is solar constant? The solar energy reaches the unit area of the Earth's atmosphere exposed perpendicularly to the rays of the sun at the average distance between the sun and the Earth. Its value approximately is equal to 1.4 kilowatts per m². Advantages include: 1. It is a renewable source of energy which is free of cost. 2. Does not cause any pollution. Disadvantages include: 1. Cannot be used during rainy days, at night, etc. 2. Direction of the reflector has to be kept changing from time to time according to the direction of the sun. What is a box-type solar cooker? It is a box made up of insulating material, such as wood, with inner walls painted black to increase heat absorption. The outer walls of the utensil are painted black too. A plane mirror is used as a reflector to increase the number of infrared radiation falling on the box. A thin glass sheet is used as a lid to cover the box to minimize the loss of heat radiations, creating a greenhouse effect. Advantages include: 1. The cost of making such a cooker is very less. 2. The food never gets burnt in this type of cooker and stays hot. Disadvantages are: 1. This type of cooker cannot be used for frying or preparing rotis. 2. This device cannot be used at night for preparing food. What are solar cell panels? A solar cell is a device that converts solar energy into electrical energy. It is made up of a semiconductor called silicon, and there is the wiring of silver done to ensure no loss of electricity. It develops a voltage of 0.5 to 1 volt and produces a current of 0.7 watt when exposed to electricity. When a large number of solar cells are combined together in an arrangement called solar cell panel, they are mounted on specially designed inclined rooftops so that more solar energy is incident over it. Uses include: 1. Solar cells are used for many scientific and technological applications. 2. Artificial satellites and space probes use them as the main source of energy. 3. Radio, wireless transmission systems, or TV relay stations in remote locations use solar cell panels. 4. Traffic signals, calculators, and many toys use them. Advantages are: 1. They have no moving parts and require little maintenance. 2. They work satisfactorily without the use of any focusing device. 3. They can be set up in remote and inaccessible regions or very sparsely inhabited areas where laying power transmission lines will be expensive. Disadvantages include: 1. The process of manufacturing solar cells is still very expensive as it requires special-grade silicon, which is very limited. Silver is used for the interconnection of the cells, which adds to the cost. 2. It cannot be moved in the direction of sunlight if mounted on the rooftops. That's IT for today's video. In the next class, we will start to learn about tidal energy. See you, and don't forget to subscribe. It's easier than lighting a matchstick.